walang malalapa. Okay, what are we celebrating today? Come over here and grab this mic from me and tell me what we're celebrating. The birthday of Lolo, yes, 18th birthday. 18. Okay, yes, we are actually celebrating Papa Lolo's birthday. As you can see, it's the gift of life as Aiden. Okay, thank you. Next question. Okay, ito madali lang eh. I know you will, well, you should know. How many kids does Papa and Mama have? 9. Hey, they're all 9. Manang, sino-sino ang mga anak? Si Don, Marichu, Manita, Jerry,
dapat taga-talikod.
Lana. Good job! Talaga mo na. Hindi na, alam mo nila yun. Oh, ito nga. Medyo mahirap siguro. If you don't know Papa, he was very active with 2 civic organizations when he was at his prime. Okay? Oh, sige na nga. Para madali. Kahit isa lang. There are 2. Oh, na. Holy Name Society and Night of Colombo. Umatutin kayo. Dapat present. Bakit kayo? Kuha naman sila ng lolit ang mga umay. Tapos itumaray ka niya sa nawa. Ako na lalapit. Ano, ilan pa? So kayo gamin na eh. So kayo makaparayin. Oh, sige nga. Yung unang makakasagot. How many... How many... Ito, sige nga, kung nakita ninyo or alam ninyo. Okay. How many brothers does Papa have? Baterina 5. Ano si kapat na ni Papa? Baterina 5. Baterina 5 minutes, kapat na. My dad, Leandro, Uncle Tabby, and Uncle Jeff. Uncle Jeff. Siblings, lonely kasi si kamatsan na ni Papa on the father side, Baterina side. Very wrong answer to my sister. Because you took the effort to come over here and participate. Oh, again, going back, kahabsat na ni Papa is Uncle Troy, Uncle Fabian, and Uncle Jim. Baterina. Okay, magpapagame na ulit tayo. Ano, really wants to know how many grandchildren. O, sige. Great. Oh, sige. Manong ako si grandchildren. Kabilang ko na naman eh. 25! O, 25. Oh, name the 25. Okay. Name the 25. Kevin, Joe, Jam, Joe, Mike. Kevin, Bernana, Ruby, Angel, Maria, Pisa, and sino pa? Ang dami Venetian. The official 25. may more to come tanong. The grandchildren is from Lawrence, Andrew, Siegfried, Eric, Godwin, Monique, Liza, Nathan, Bianca, Brian, Jesse, Pico, Sam, Tadine, Jam, Noah, Micah, Margot, Missy, Deidre, Chriselle, Marielle, Crystal, Nickel. Actually, that's it for now. As a grandchildren. Kasi the next one's like Anne is the wife of Andrew, Kathy is the wife of Siegfried, Donna of Brian, Haruni, son of Woody, Anya, daughter of Andrew, Addison and Hayden, daughters of Siegfried, Aisha of Brian, and Normy of Brian. So this is our generation. Yeah. Okay. Let's say again. Sasabihin ni Vicky yung mechanics, ha?
Yung mga iba kasi nasa Ilocos nung no, yung mechanics of physics. It's called pinaka. So, the host will say she's looking for an item or an object na pinakamalaki. If you know that you have something na malaki, you come up here in front. In 10 seconds, everybody who thinks they have something na pinakamalaki would come here, and then at count of 10, everybody who's here are the qualified contestants, and at the time she'll say what she's looking for. Probably it's pinakamalaking ulo. So kung sino among these people here have the pinakamalaking ulo, sila yung mananalo. Okay? Try.
Practice lang muna, ha? Trial natin, ha? Okay. Sino ang may pinakamahaba? Lapit dito, kung alam ninyo, meron tayong pinakamahaba. Lapit mo kayo rito. Pinakamahaba.
Oo. Pinakamahaba.
Wala ang representative pinakamahaba. Sino sa pinakamahaba? Ano? Kala mo may pinakamahaba? Malay nyo, pinakamahaba.
Malay nyo yung nasa yung pinakamahaba.
Pinakamahaba. Kung sabihin ninyo, meron kayong may pinakamahaba. Hindi na kayo. Wala nyo, may pinakamahaba. Pinakamahaba.